Alright traders, I am back again with another video, and this video we're just going to show you really the news affected this trade more than the overall setup. But we had news today. I got into a trade looking at a Kumo breakout here also, which was at this level up here where you could see the entry. So I entered the market at this level, and one of the reasons was because Williams percent R broke above -80. When we had that -80 break, I put my entry here because the break above -80 represents the loss of some bearish momentum. So we expected the momentum to move to the upside and for the market to bust out of the Kumo. Well, the market triggered me, and then the next day dropped further. And then I still didn't get out of the trade because I had some good support resistance. Some good support levels below me, and I wasn't really worried about that so much. Now, there's more news coming up on this pair, so I need to get out of this trade. I want to get out of this trade because we got more news coming up, and I've got good profit already, so I don't need to push this anymore. So I'm going to take this profit in a second here, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, the Kumo breakout came and I already got triggered on a false break, and this was an aggressive entry. A lot of times you wait for the candle to close above the cloud. Now, had you waited for the candle to close above the cloud, your entry would be here, right? Which would be ridiculous. Now, if there wasn't so much news, we probably wouldn't have gotten this big move also. Now, the next thing is I'm not going to hold this because I really wanted to shoot for this target, which is my 2 level, but I'm not going to go for that 2 level because of the news. So we'll take our profit, just showing you a Kumo breakout. Really simple trade. All Ichimoku signs were bullish when price breaks above the cloud. Now here we were inside the cloud, but we suspected the break of the cloud, and Chiku span was above price at that point. So looking at everything, we had all bullish signs. So with that, we figured we take the trade. And when price broke the cloud the first time, comes back, this whole cloud is now support. Right? So we have the whole cloud to support us before the market turns bearish. Now, it looked like it was a no-win situation because we had not a big clamp, but then Tinkinson started to roll over and they looked like they were getting ready to cross the wrong direction. Now they have, but I think we're going to see the positive direction cross in a second here. Yeah, it didn't look good for a while, but still had the support and resistance levels, the support level basically that I really needed to hold on to the trade, and that's what I did. But now with this news coming up, don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get out of the trade. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, but hopefully this helps you out. This is basic Ichimoku trade. Nothing simple. Nothing spectacular about this. You're just looking for price to break outside of the cloud. We took the aggressive entry. You could take an aggressive or a conservative entry. Stop loss usually below the cloud or below your Kijinsen level. Now, I didn't get triggered out of this trade because I had my stop loss even lower because I was looking at other levels that I'm really looking to for the market to hold at, and the market did hold. So once it broke back up and broke through, I was good to go. So we look good there, and we're gonna close this out. I don't want to waste more of your time. Come visit me, www.fx@oneglance.com. Thank you guys. So long. God bless.